Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock concentrate updated. Start by roasting bones and vegetables to deepen flavor, then simmer gently with cold water and a splash of vinegar to pull nutrients. Skim periodically, strain through a fine sieve, and reduce by 2/3 until thick and concentrated. Cool quickly, portion into small jars or ice cube trays, and freeze for months to use a tablespoon at a time. Gather your tools and ingredients before you start so the process flows easily and you don't lose heat. Roast bones until well browned for deep color and flavor, then add cold water and a tablespoon of vinegar to help extract gelatin. Keep heat low for hours, skimming foam, and avoid boiling hard, which can cloud the stock. Finish by straining and reducing slowly to concentrate flavor and body. Quick recommendation and tiny ad. If you like cooking guides, subscribe and like this video to help out. On another note, the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in the kitchen without glare, and it stores cookbooks neatly so your counter stays tidy. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After straining, return the stock to a clean pot and reduce gently to intensify flavor and body without burning. Keep stirring near the end and watch color change to a rich amber. Aim for syrupy consistency, but still pourable. Cool rapidly in an ice bath to preserve freshness, then portion and freeze flat for easy storage. Thaw in the fridge and add measured tablespoons to recipes to amplify taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.